Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use a function in Excel called the proper function. Let's say you receive this list of names from a colleague, or you downloaded from a software, and that's how it appeared. Some are in uppercase, some in lowercase, some mixed up. In its proper form, a name should have the first letters in uppercase. So clearly, some of these names are improperly formatted. So we shall use a proper function to make them proper. Now we want the proper names to appear in column B. So we click in B4 and then we type in equals. Remember to start any formula or function in Excel, you start with an equal sign. So we type in equals and type in the word proper and open parentheses. When you do this, now go up to the FX icon and click it to open the function argument box. Over here, the function argument box is asking, what text do you want to make proper? So we click in here and go look for the text we want to make proper. We want to make the text in A4 proper, the name in A4 proper. So we click in cell A4. And once you do, A4 is put in this box right in here for you. Now see that the function argument box gives you the correction even before you OK it. So the name in there now is Ben Carter, and the proper one we want is this one. Then we OK it. So now we have a proper name in cell B4. All we have to do now is to copy the formula for the rest of the names. Go to the bottom right corner of cell B4 where you see the small green box. Hover your mouse over it and then your mouse turns into a black cross. All you do now is double click and the formula is copied for all the rest of the names. Note, however, that when we click in this cell, what we see in the formula bar is the formula itself and not the name in there. Whereas when we click in here, we see the improper name. Now, because these are the proper names in column B, you want to remove or delete column A and maintain column B, rightly so. We right click on the column header A and then we do delete. See what we have. Because the formulas previously in column B depended on the cells in column A. As soon as you remove the cells in column A, the formulas no longer have a cell to refer to, and that's why I have these. We'll undo it and bring it back. So you want to maintain the proper names without the formulas. So we select this whole list, and then we copy, right click, and copy. We want to paste it in say column D. We click here and right click, and you don't paste it right away, you rather paste it as values. So we come here and look for the values option. Here we have paste as values. What it means is that it will paste exactly what you see on the screen and not the formulas. So we click paste as values, and here, if we click in here now and go to the formula bar, what you see in the cell is what you get in the formula bar. We click here, what we see here is what we get in the formula bar. What you do now is to remove the unwanted columns of names. So we remove B, right click, delete, right click, and delete, and we have our proper names. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.